Hello friends, my name is Temak Pratiksha and today's video topic is main method and today's date is 28 July 2021. So let's see the main method in Java. The main method is the starting point of for JVM to start the execution of the program. Without the main method, program does not executed. Without the main method, JVM does not execute the program. The syntax of the main method is the public static void main then string arguments, and public is the access specifier and static is the keywords, and void is the return type. Public static void, then main is the method name, then string arguments is the array of strings. Then let's see the one by one. Public, it is an access specifier. We can use a public keywords before the main method, so the JVM can identify the execution point of the program. If we use private, protected and default before the main method, it will not be visible to the JVM. So next one is the static is the keyword. You can make a method static by using this keyword static. We should call the main method without creating the object. Static methods are the methods which invokes without creating the objects, so we do not need to create any object to call the main method. Next one is the void is the return type. In Java, every method has the return type, so void keyword acknowledge the compiler that the main method does not return the any value. So next one is the main. It is the default signature which is predefined in Java virtual machine. It is called by JVM to execute the program line by line, and in the execution after completion of this method. We can also overload the main method. Next one is the string arguments. The main method also accepts some data from the user. It accepts the group of the strings, which is also a string array. It is used to hold the command line arguments in the form of the string values. Then its syntax is the main string arguments. Here arguments block is the array name and it is of the string type. It means it can store the groups of the strings. Array is can also group of the array can also store the groups of the numbers, but in the form of the string only. Value passed to the main method is called the arguments. These arguments are stored in arguments block array, so the name arguments block is generally used for it. The program will compile but not run, because JVM will not JVM will not recognize the main method. Let's see the execution process. JVM executes the static block, then it executes the static methods, and then it creates the objects needed by the program. Finally, it executes the instance methods. JVM executes the static blocks on the highest priority base. It means the JVM first go to the static blocks even before it looks for the main method in the program. So let's see one example. First one, create a class of the name class demo, then static is the static block, then the print the message static block, then in main method it is the static method because we use the static keywords. Then print the message the static methods, so our output is the static block and the static method. So we can observe that the JVM first executes the static block if it present in the program. After that, it searches for the main method. If the main method is not found, then it gives the error. Suppose let's a program that does not have the main method gives the error at the runtime. So let's see this example. Suppose we have a class of the name A, and then the static block, then print out the message static block. So our output there is no output, because it shows the error. It shows the error main methods are not found in the class A. So it's all about the main method in Java. Thank you.